We're in position, approaching drop.
Remind them about the perimeter. They cannot fly directly over the fire. Minimum of a 10-meter perimeter.
10 meters.
No. They're too close.
They can't get over the fire, or at least
The wind will have to carry them. Tell them they cannot go over the core. Lead 1 is too close. I repeat, we are too close.
Copy. Lead 1, you are inside the perimeter. Admiral copy. Signal breaking up. 1.
Is there any other way, Palazzo? So the next one in.